So this is the last program. See what I'm doing. I'm trying to type all the I'm trying to type all the code manually with my hands, right? So this is actually the boilerplate code. That means this code will be this code is common in all the applications. If you use the arrow function, this code is common in the all the applications, and also this code is this code is common in all the applications if you use the class as component. So this is a redundant. So if you want to reduce your work, simply there's a small technique. I'm going to tell you that technique now. See, simply try to go for the extensions. Okay, go to the extensions. And now in the extensions, search the es7 Redux es7 space React Redux GraphQL. See this one, GraphQL React native snippets. All the boilerplate code snippets will be, I mean, like we have a class component, right? And we have a function as component, right? All those components will be automatically produced by this plugin. I'm going to, okay, I have already installed. Okay, just try to, so this is how it will look. Try to install that one. So now it is installed in my system. Now see this. We have all the JavaScript types, all the code snippets will be like this. If you type the IMP, it will produce the import module and from module. See, for the React also, IMR means import React from React. If you just type this one, IMR, if you type this IMR, it will give the complete line, import React from React. Okay. Next one. We have arrow function, right? This one. If you type React arrow function component RAFC or RAFCE, React arrow function component export. Just if you write this code in your code snippet, it will show you. Okay, so see this. This is very interesting. I explain you now. I'll be creating the app number. So I have this plugin. What is this plugin name? ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippets. Okay. Now I'm closing it. Let me open the terminal. So this is my terminal. So still the server is running. Okay. So I'm going to cancel this. To cancel this one, just press the Control C and give the Y. So terminate batch job. That means the current server will be stopped and come out of this app number 02 cd dot means it will go for the parent folder. It will go to the parent folder. Now, what is the command? npm or npx? npx space create React app space app 03 underscore boilerplate code. Do not give any capital letters. Okay, not give any capital letters for the application folder. Okay, just app 03 boilerplate code. Did you understand what I have installed? es7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Code Snippets plugin. This will be a magic now. Okay, from app 3 onwards, this will be a magic, because you'll write a less number of lines of code, and you'll get the perfect outputs. Come on, fast up, fast up. It is taking longer time to install. One more minute to create. Okay, just be patient. Be patient, patience. So now guys, now we got the happy hacking message. See this one. Go to the src folder and open the app.js. cd space app 03. Gone for the I've redirected to app 03 boilerplate code folder, and now see this one. Let us run the program. What is the command to run this program? npm space start. Okay, now the server is about to start. Okay. Starting the deployment server. I got some two dependency bullshit errors. Why in this planet this is taking this much? Actually, you know, if you try to copy the one folder, it'll be like something like 500 MB. See this? Compiled successfully. Shut up. See, this is your React application, right? So what I'm going to do, I will remove the whole code. Okay. I'm not going to write the code either. See this. Now what I'm going to do is React arrow function component export. See this one? React arrow function component export component. So if I click on this one, complete code is written by the plugin itself. Okay. Did I write any code? What I can do, I can simply write my code here. Hi. This React app, React app using es7 plugin. Okay. I'm just saving it. Yes, compiled successfully. So this is my third program. How did I write this third program? App C RFC. Just remember this one. I'm just commenting that one above this one. R F React function as component. R means React. F means function. A means as a component. C means component. And export. RF. See if you write this one. See, I'm just removing this one. Okay. As of now. RFAC. If you just give only this one React arrow function component, then see this one. This also will produce the same kind of code. RF RFACE. This one. This is giving the same kind of code. This is also giving the same kind of okay. But in you know a few times it will not produce the export statement. Okay. Try to use this one React function arrow sorry RFAC. React arrow function component export. Okay. This is the shortcode to create arrow function. RF RAF C. React arrow function component. This is it. Okay. So in this one, I can write some the hell. I'm getting yes, sound like okay. Yes, I'll get the same. Okay, this is it. Now, what about the class component? See, we go to this plugin. You can see the class component here. Okay, you can directly This one RCC, React class as a component. Okay. RCC means React class as component. So I'll be creating the second, third, fourth application for that. Okay. Did you understand the third application? How did I create this one? Simply by typing the ref C. Okay, right, fine.